Why protein matters after a workout.
Protein is essential for muscle recovery and growth after exercise. Eating protein-rich meals within a couple of hours post-workout helps repair muscle tissue, reduce soreness, and support strength gains. Pairing protein with some healthy carbohydrates also replenishes energy stores, making recovery faster and more effective. Let's explore simple, delicious, high-protein meal ideas you can make in minutes.
Quick chicken and veggie stir-fry.
Chicken breast is a lean, high-protein choice. Slice it into strips, sauté quickly with colorful vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli, and add a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Serve with brown rice or quinoa for added carbohydrates. This balanced meal provides protein for muscle building and healthy carbs for recovery, all in under 20 minutes.
Egg and spinach breakfast wrap.
Eggs are a powerhouse for post-workout meals. Scramble 2 or 3 eggs with fresh spinach, then wrap in a whole grain tortilla. Add a sprinkle of cheese or avocado if you like. This wrap is packed with protein and micronutrients, making it perfect for a quick breakfast after morning exercise or as a snack any time of day.
Tuna and chickpea power salad.
Canned tuna and chickpeas offer a powerful protein combination. Mix them with chopped cucumber, tomatoes, and a touch of olive oil and lemon juice. This salad is quick to prepare, requires no cooking, and delivers protein plus fiber, helping you feel full and stay energized during recovery.
Greek yogurt and berry parfait.
Greek yogurt is naturally high in protein and calcium. Layer it with fresh berries and a handful of nuts or granola for a tasty snack or light meal. The yogurt supports muscle repair, while berries provide antioxidants to combat exercise-induced stress. This parfait is perfect when you want something refreshing and satisfying after a workout.
Tips for easy meal prep.
Keep high-protein staples on hand for fast meals. Stock your fridge with cooked chicken, boiled eggs, canned tuna, Greek yogurt, and legumes. Try batch cooking grains and chopping veggies in advance. With these items ready, assembling a nourishing, protein-packed meal takes only minutes, supporting your recovery consistently after every workout.